Today I'm unboxing a cat converter shield protection from Cat. Cat is not a sponsor. Get this one, protect a catalytic converter, okay? So from being stolen again. All right. Very nice. Let's check what's in here. Let's see. So we got a screw. I don't know if you can see that. Stuck by camera. And 2-piece shield. Nice. I read it's aluminum. This is got a whole set of screws. This is right there. So this is a bit thin and catalytic. So different lengths, but the screw hole is the same. I believe this one going to show you. So according to I believe this one going again the 2 sheet. That's all the screws and hardware. And it's got converter shield. What you want to do is put them in like that. Put them in like that. So this is a complete install. Side the back part. So this is a complete install. Part.